Have you ever noticed that getting out of bed feels harder now than it did just a few years ago, that your legs feel heavier, your balance is off, or your arms do not lift as easily as they used to? You might tell yourself it is just age, but what if I told you there is a breakfast food that can actually reverse that weakness starting within 24 hours? This is not some expensive supplement or rare superfood. It is a simple morning meal made of Greek yogurt mixed with whey protein and a sliced banana. This one powerful combination can rebuild lost muscle, strengthen your legs, and boost your energy naturally. If you are over 60, you need to know this right now, because after that age, your body loses nearly 3 to 5% of its muscle mass every year if you do nothing about it. That condition is called sarcopenia, and it is the hidden reason so many seniors struggle to climb stairs, get out of chairs, or stand in the kitchen for long periods. If you have ever woken up with shaky legs or felt nervous about falling, drop a comment right now saying, "Yes, Mark, that is me," because you are not alone. Thousands of pièces, 70 secondes, edit. But the good news is your body can rebuild strength faster than you think. In fact, scientists at the University of Toronto found that seniors who ate a high-protein breakfast like Greek yogurt with whey and banana saw measurable improvement in muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build muscle fibers, within just 1 day. That means 24 hours later, your legs are already beginning to recover. One of my clients, Harold, 72, used to think weakness was just part of aging. He often skipped breakfast and by noon he felt drained. Then he started eating this power breakfast Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics, whey for fast amino acids, and banana for potassium and quick energy. Just 3 days later, he told me his legs felt alive again. Within 2 weeks, his balance improved, and he climbed stairs with confidence. You see, Greek yogurt is rich in leucine, a special amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Whey protein is packed with branch-chain amino acids that repair fibers after a night of fasting. And banana adds potassium and magnesium to prevent cramps and aid smooth muscle contraction. Together, they send a message to your muscles: time to rebuild. Within 24 hours, your body starts using the extra protein to repair damaged tissue. Within a few days, you might feel your legs firmer when you stand. If that sounds like something you would love to experience, type strong legs in the comments right now. Now, many seniors tell me they already eat eggs for breakfast. And while eggs are great, most people do not eat enough to reach the 30 grams of protein your body needs to trigger muscle growth. That is where Greek yogurt and whey outperform traditional breakfasts like cereal or toast, which are mostly carbs that spike your blood sugar and leave your muscles starving for protein. Every time I visit senior centers, I hear people say they eat oatmeal, toast, or fruit juice in the morning. While those are healthy in other ways, none of them stop sarcopenia. Low-protein breakfasts can even accelerate it because they spike insulin and keep muscles hungry. When your muscles stay underfed, they shrink and your legs start thinning. Even though your weight stays the same, it is not fat loss, it is muscle loss. Making this breakfast is simple. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, add 1 scoop of whey protein, vanilla, or unflavored works best, and slice 1 ripe banana. Mix them well, add a bit of milk, creaminess, or freeze the banana for a smoothie texture. Eat this every morning for the next week, and notice how your legs feel stronger when you first get up. If you have lactose issues, look for lactose-free whey or plant-based protein powder. My own father, 79, used to struggle walking up the porch steps. His knees shook, and he was afraid he would fall. I convinced him to try this same breakfast. Within 4 days, he called me in tears of joy, saying he climbed those steps without holding the railing. Imagine that confidence restored, independence regained, and hope reignited, all from a simple change in breakfast. Sarcopenia happens silently, but it is not permanent. You can reverse it with the right fuel at the right time. Morning is when your body absorbs protein most efficiently after a night of fasting, which is why this meal works so quickly. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Health in Aging, seniors who consumed 30 grams of protein at breakfast improved their leg strength and walking speed more than those who ate the same amount later in the day. So breakfast importantica. If starting a new routine feels hard, remember this takes less than 5 minutes. You can prepare it the night before. No cooking, no hassle. Add chia or flaxseed if you want to boost omega-3s south for joint health. Many of my senior clients report less stiffness in their knees within a week. Inside your body, the yogurt and whey break down into amino acids, especially leucine, which travels to your muscles and activates a pathway called mTOR, signaling your body to start building new muscle. The banana's potassium helps nerves send stronger signals to muscles, improving control and reducing fatigue. Together, they form the perfect system for strength recovery. Many seniors even report a tingling warmth in their legs after a few days of this breakfast. That is improved circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. If that happens to you, comment "I feel it" mark, because that means your body is healing. Autrement dit, muscle loss does not only your legs. It affects your heart, lungs, and immune system too. Strong muscles help stabilize blood sugar, boost immunity, and even improve your mood. Some of you watching might have struggled with balance or fallen recently. That can be scary, but the best protection is not a new medication, it is stronger legs. Every morning you have two choices: a weak breakfast that drains you or a strong breakfast that rebuilds you. Choose strength. Choose life. Tell me in the comments what you eat for breakfast so I can help you make it better. I read every comment because I want to help you live stronger and longer. When you start feeding your body right, amazing things happen. Day 1, more energy. Day 2, steadier legs. A week later, a noticeable difference. A month later, you feel like a younger version of yourself. There's science. Seniors can still gain strength as fast as younger adults with consistent nutrition. So, tomorrow morning, before you grab toast or coffee, make this instead: Greek yogurt, whey protein, and banana. Eat it, feel it, and believe it. If this message helped you, share it with a friend or loved one who needs it. Tell me in the comments what changes you feel after a week. Your story might inspire another senior to start their own comeback. You have one body, and it has carried you through a lifetime of experiences. It deserves care, not neglect. Age does not define your ability. You can still rebuild, grow, and thrive. The breakfast you choose can decide whether your day begins with weakness or power. So choose wisely, and remember to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more senior health tips and never stop believing in your strength. It is still there, waiting to be awakened every single morning.